Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. We are going to take a look at and going to assess the progress on national-wide protest against counseling delay for NEET PG 2021. So as you can see, these are the cuttings from news media that OPD services strike to continue and FODA, that is Federation of Resident Doctors Association, which is national level organization, and they had meeting with their state representative yesterday on Saturday. Yesterday they started protest, and as a part of protest, they discontinued the OPD services. And as you already know, that effect or impact had been seen, a negative impact in the healthcare services had been observed across the country. And let me tell you what are the updates regarding it. So this picture you can see, this picture is taken during the resident doctors of Delhi Safdarjung Hospital protested as part of national-wide strike called by FODA, our postponement of NEET PG counseling 2021. And in a statement, the FODA said that as per common consensus in the meeting with the state RDA representative, it has been decided that withdrawal of the OPD services will be continued and a national level review meeting will be held on Monday, that is tomorrow. And this is the press release. You can see the official press release. A nationwide withdrawal from OPD services by resident doctors in hospitals has been commenced today, that is Saturday, following the call given by FODA. The protest saw a massive participation from resident doctors across the nation. Subsequently, the meeting was held between Honorable Union Minister and FODA President. There was meeting held between Honorable Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia and FODA President at Nirman Vihar, which is New Delhi. The detailed discussion held in the meeting was put in front of representative of RD Association of various states in the virtual meeting. And the meeting was not face to face, it was a virtual meeting organized at 5 p.m. onwards. A common consensus in the meeting with the state RDA representative, it has been decided that withdrawal from OPD services will be continued and a national level review meeting will be held on Monday, that is 29th of November. So with this platform, NEET Mentor, I will keep you updating about all the updates and the progresses and whether we are going to hit the target that we have set to prepone the postponed counseling. Okay, the medical fraternity of the national stands united in this fight for justice. Now let's see what Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said on Saturday. The Health Minister assured that the Union government will be filing a reply in the coming week in the Supreme Court and would further be asking for the matter to be heard urgently. So they are just giving assurance, but there is no concrete as of now that the matter will be taken in Supreme Court. Okay, and they will try to get the matter heard in Supreme Court urgently before 6th of January as per the last notice given by Supreme Court. According to FODA, Saturday protest was a nationwide agitation with over 10,000 residents doctors participating in the strike, and the strike hampered OPD services across India. So we are hoping for the best to happen, and we are hoping that within a week of time we will get some kind of concrete direction which way is going towards. There may be two possibilities. First possibility, the counseling may get preponed, which means it may start before 6th of January. Whatever decision they take regarding EWS or OBC or any kind of reservation matter, whether they put it on hold or take some kind of intermediate decision, interim order or something like that. Second possibility is to they continue with their expected date of the hearing, that is on 6th Jan, and all the protest getting done by our resident doctors may go in vain. So out of this possibility, one of may occur. Okay, so I will keep you updating all these updates officially with some kind of proofs. So be with us and subscribe to our channel. Okay, and you can also connect with us on the number given in the description. So thanks for watching and have a great day.